Hi, I'm Jim Walker. Welcome to 2022. We're making new videos for the flooring industry. We know with your hand skills and my knowledge, you can make more money. I believe in you.
The staircase is the focal point of any home. It gives the installer a great opportunity to display their skills. I know that there are lots of ways to upholster stairs. What we're going to show you is the CFI proven methods of installation. This is the type of upholstery work that far too many customers are receiving today. You are about to see how easy stair upholstery can be if you take your time and have pride in your work. There are two common styles of stair upholstery: waterfall and cap and band. Waterfall is when the carpet covers each tread and riser with a single section of carpet. Cap and band is when two pieces of carpet are used, one to cover the tread, the other to cover the riser.
Thanks for watching and enjoy a profitable 2022. And check back soon.